Do you see this? See that? It's a subtle contour, very natural looking, and my forehead looks a little bit smaller. This foundation is literally for beginners or anybody. This is how I get my perfect full coverage but still skin-like foundation. I'm going to moisturize my face with my Glam Glow. Then you're just gonna leave this on your face for about 30 seconds to a minute so it can absorb, okay? I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever in the color Y503. This is the Matte Velvet Skin foundation, and it is a full coverage foundation. Typically, I don't put foundation on my forehead, but I'm just doing a little bit just in the middle, but I never go up here with my foundation. I only contour there. Then using a damp Real Techniques, I'm just gonna blend this out. And then I get this question so much, so this is also very important in the video. It's how to properly contour for your face shape. So for me, I have a huge forehead, as you can see. So the key to my contouring is trying to minimize the effect of it. Contouring is basically creating a shadow. So what I do with my contour is I go around the perimeter of my forehead. And what that'll do is give the illusion that my forehead is much smaller. And then as far as cheeks go, I have a very strong jawline. So I don't contour as much as say someone who has a very round face, because then it'll make my jaw look too defined. So simply all I do is look for the high points of my cheeks, which is right here, and I go beneath that. And that's how I choose where to contour. I don't drag the contour super deep because to me that's an unrealistic looking contour. I like mine to look very natural. You guys know I like very natural looking faces. Use your face shape and go like that. And your contour should line up with that line. See? But you don't want to drag your contour all the way down to the corner of your mouth. That's what you don't want to do. So then I'm just going to blend everything out. Anybody wondering, I use R530 as my contour color. Also from the Makeup Forever line. And then I concentrate the contour all around this perimeter of my face, because it makes it much easier to blend in your concealer when you do it that way. Then you won't have a line of demarcation. But if you're interested in how I conceal under my eyes, I will leave the link somewhere right here or in the description box below. And you want to use light tapping motions when you get to this corner with your contour. Okay, so I don't bake, so after I set my eyes, I'm just gonna press this powder in. So this is a perfect way to contour your face and have a perfect foundation base for any other makeup that you want to continue. But I'll show you my final look right now. All right, y'all, so this is my final face. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with all your friends, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces. And like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JaMexicanBeauty, and y'all. All right, I'm out. Bye.